Hey guys, welcome back to Ron's Recreations. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today's Sunday, and I'm going to transfer everything that I did to the driver's side B-pillar mount to the passenger side B-pillar mount. And I'll bring you back when I got most of that done. I'm not going to bore you with everything that I did on the driver's side. If there's something that I missed that you're interested in seeing a little bit better, I noticed as I was editing the video yesterday to get it posted for tonight that some of my camera work sucked. Go figure. But anyways, like I said, you know, I'm trying to build this truck like it would have been available from the factory in 1992 as a crew cab. So I didn't want to hack it up or do it half-assed. I used factory sheet metal to make these mounts out of, so that they were sturdy, of the same quality and of the same engineering design that Dodge probably would have incorporated and modified themselves if they didn't have a bunch of bean counters making decisions regarding the vehicles. And one thing that I wanted to kind of explain myself, why I did what I did. All of your modern vehicles nowadays have 6 to 8 points of contact for the body to the frame. You look at the new crew cabs, they attach at the A pillar, the B pillar, and the C pillar. You look at your SUVs, they mount at the A pillar, the B pillar, the C pillar, and the D pillar, okay? I'm trying to make this a little bit safer truck, and all of you guys know that have these Dodge trucks with the club cabs and the crew cabs especially, the rear cab mounts get crushed. And go figure, the body mounts are not available anymore for the crew cabs, the rubber mounts. I'm not a real big fan of the urethane mounts. I think they're too stiff. It transfers too much stiffness to the cab sheet metal, causing the cab sheet metal to pop loose and crack in certain spots. That's why they used rubber. It gives the cab a little bit of movement and give. I know this because I used to sell these trucks. I sold these first-gen Dodges back in the day when they were 10,000 miles, 12,000 miles, 2,000 mile one-owner trade-ins. You know, I've seen these trucks and driven a ton of these trucks, and I love them to death. But the reason that I'm doing what I'm doing is, one, for safety and preservation of the truck, as well as when you know, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, when I'm dead, somebody can look at that and they'll probably drink beer at Bad Tree Productions or at Duddy's Ranch when he becomes rich and famous. That, you know, is that factory or was that a hack? But same with the frame. And I'll go over the frame too again, and I'll recap everything that I did to the frame, why I did what I did. But for now, it's just a quick update. I'm going to be transferring everything I did to the driver's side mounts that I created to the passenger side mount. And I'll bring you back, show you what I did. Then we'll start cleaning them up, prepping them, and getting them ready to weld to the body. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. And again, thank you to all of the other content creators that have subscribed to Ron's Recreations, hashtag No Name Nationals. I really appreciate everything that you have done and are doing to help me with my channel. I can't thank you enough. I really can't. I'm humbled by all of you that have accepted me into the hashtag No Name Nationals and the drag racing. I know this truck is not a drag race truck. I know that. But I'm going to race it, and I'm bringing it. And I'm going to be there even if I don't get 500 subs. I'll be there. I might have to sit in the show stands and watch and wave at you guys, or see you on the show field and beat you out of the trophy that you want to win. But I'll try to beat you out of that trophy. That Valiant that Jeremy's building is a pretty nice car to compete against. Jeremy, I'm going to give you a run for your money. I do have a turbo after all. Of course, we'll have to see about that. Maybe I'll call Jeremy out. Haha. Anyways, stay tuned. Here's a better look at that tab I was trying to show you on the driver's side, and why we used a little dark to show you. But on the side, we're going to have a brace to go on the side to help support the outboard mount. And then on this side, see this part of the flange sits on this side of this floor brace, so you can't put a wide flange, it's too wide. So this will just be a little bit shorter, and it'll come right to about here. You can see, you know, what we're trimming off. I just wanted to show that real quick because it didn't show up on camera or last night's video. All right, toodaloo. Pillar mounts are done. And by the way, my melon was getting cold again, so I had to put my imitation Jeremy Ron's Recreation melon warmer on. Let me know what you think, Jeremy.